What is going on, YouTube? So X fan here. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Random, and welcome back to the barn for another. Oh crap! Wrong box. Give me 1 second. You're not supposed to be seeing that. What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Random, and today we're going to be installing some rain guards on our Crown Victoria. As you guys can see, this is going to be a very easy install. The whole thing is probably going to take about 10 minutes. Literally 3 steps. First, you remove the tape. Step number 2, you insert it carefully. Step number 3, just roll the windows up. Now, there's many reasons why people put rain guards in their cars, but if you are a Crown Victoria owner, then it is mandatory that you get yourself a set of rain guards. You see, because anybody that's ever owned a Crown Vic is aware of this notorious roof line right here and this A-pillar right here. Now, what usually ends up happening is when you're using your windshield wipers or when it's raining really heavy, the rain accumulates here, and if you ever lower your window, if you're at the drive-through, if you're talking to somebody, for whatever reason, if you got to lower your window, your entire interior gets wet, all your controls, everything gets wet, your hand. It's very inconvenient and it's very annoying. So the solution for that is get yourself a set of rain guards. And as you guys can see, this is the in-channel one. There is also some outer channel rain guards, but they look a little bit tacky. They're usually up on this on the top part of your window. It just doesn't look right. So if you want to get yourself a set of rain guards, make sure you go for the in-channel ones. And like I said, installation for this is very simple. So I'm going to run you guys step by step how to install some rain guards on your Crown Vic. All right, guys. So as you guys can see, we have the driver's side rain guard. It only comes with 1 strip of tape. That's because of the way that this is designed. It actually uses pressure to keep itself held in place. From the upper right corner, you start positioning it in the channels, and then here's where you're gonna have to kind of bend it a little bit. You're gonna freak out because you're gonna think you're gonna break this, and you just fit it into the channels. Give it a nice little tug again. Like I said, you start upper right corner, start fitting it in. When you get to this leg at the bottom, you're gonna have to kind of fold it in. It's gonna fold backwards and in. It's gonna snap right into place. Now, the only thing left to do for this side is to put our window up, make sure nothing is being interfered with and nothing breaks or cracks, and we'll see if it turned out good. Here we go. I don't know if you guys noticed at the very end, you saw how this part finally pushed itself up. Now that little 3M tape sticky part is fully stuck on the upper right corner. And oh man, this thing is not going anywhere. Installing your rear rain guards is pretty much even easier than the front. We're going to remove our 2 little strips right here. And what we're going to do is you're going to start in one corner, lower this down. You see the angle? Slide it into the channel, and then you're going to roll it up and it'll snap into place. Just like that. Now the only thing left to do, put our rear window up. Here we go. And there is the rear window rain guard or wind deflector installed. All right, guys, now you're normally supposed to have your windows up. It's recommended you have your windows up for at least 24 hours so you can let that 3M tape set as much as possible. So this is just for demonstration purposes. I just wanted you guys to see what it looks like when you actually have this thing installed and you're driving down the street. That's what it looks like from your driver's point of view. It's nice. It actually kind of even blocks the sun a little bit right there on your peripheral. It's not invasive at all. I really like it. And that is going to be it for today's video, guys. I hope it helps somebody out there. If you're on the fence about getting yourself some rain guards for your Crown Vic, well, this is what the end product looks like. I think it looks very clean. Yes, I know I need new rear window tints. It's coming. Just going to give you guys some little shots here. That's what your Crown Vic looks like with a set of these AVS, I think they're AVS, in-channel rain guards. I absolutely love it. Anyways, guys, stick around for the next Crown Victoria video and see what other little surprises I got going on for this car. Either way, it's your boy, Mr. Random. I'll catch you guys on the next one.